Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet easy heart without magic ring. Needle I am using is 2.5 mm. As usual you will be starting with slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I am using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay, now due to joining those first and last stitch we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now starting with 2 chain crochet stitches, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, slow demonstration is given. So quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you. After completing 4 half double crochet stitches, in the same way we will make 5 double crochet stitches around that small ring of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in same way. Yarn over, insert the needle inside the ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Okay, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. Almost done. Now after 5 double crochet stitches we will again make 4 half double crochet stitches. Okay, after 5 double crochet stitches we will make again 4 double crochet after 5 double crochet stitches we will make 4 half double crochet stitches. It is a sandwich like 4 half double crochet stitches, 5 double, then followed by 5 double crochet stitches, then followed by 4 half double crochet stitches. And once we are done with those 4 half double crochet stitches, just make 2 chain crochet stitches and join the second chain crochet stitch with the ring with the slip stitch. Okay, and in last round just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now that's our final piece. As you have seen, this heart was so easy to make and we made it so quickly. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. You will get crochet tutorial for applique, coaster, candle coaster, curtain tie back, crochet keychain, amigurumi toys, plus crochet stitches, many more.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.